I decided to pull over once again. Number one, I thought I was going the wrong way, so I really wanted to confirm. But then it just started picking up, raining again. I like flawed that. Um, Tomorrow looks like it's gonna be good. Good day. Hopefully it stays good. And even later at night, it may get better. But so the last thing that's top of mind, or the thing that's top of mind right now is that's why I don't really fuck with Facebook, man. But it ain't really. Anyway, let me just explain it. So my this girl, like, man, my son's mom, she wrote me a long time ago, but I just opened it, and she was like, uh, something about, can I do a disestablishment of her unborn child? It's not about Brian. And in my head, like, I don't even really, I may be handling all this shit wrong, but I don't know. It's just like when somebody has, I'm not gonna talk bad. I'm probably handling it all wrong. But she was asking me if I could do a disestablishment of something, and of, I have to read it verbatim. But then, and she said her pitch was like, that way it prevents you from any future child support of my kids or future kids or something. And it just like, it sucks because there's a lot that I just don't know. I just don't know. And she doesn't just, she's been doing obviously her homework. She knows her stuff. She has people in that space. Like, she has family that are lawyers. So she has a community of advice, if you will. So I just like, you know what? Let the chips fall where they may. You know what I'm saying? Like, what's the worst that you could do for me? Like I've been homeless. I know for a fact. Like, the next thing is death, and even that, like, death is, anyway. But yeah, like, I'm making a decision. Like, I can't let that bitch, or that woman, affect my life. You know, especially if, oh, I'm pretty sure she's good. You know, obviously, if she's having a kid, she's happy and stuff. But I don't know. I just know I hate going back to this, but I have to tell myself I'm not a bad person. Like, I just chose to not reach out to my son no more after a certain point of doing it and realizing it wasn't really, like we just kept, I wouldn't say arguing, but yeah, that those intense moments kept happening again. I'm like, what the fuck? You know what I'm saying? Like, stupid shit. And I was like, all right, clearly I can't just. But he's not yet. Maybe once my son is older, maybe once she has another kid, like, she won't look at Brian as much, like, because that's how parents are like that. You know, they I'm not gonna say, well, they pretty much favor kids. You know, and hopefully it's a girl. If she has a girl, hopefully it's a girl, because I think a girl would, like, do her good. I think she really wants one, and I think it was just she needs one. Um, I think that would be dope. But yeah, man, it's like, I made a decision. I'm not gonna keep trying to chase, like, yo, let me talk to my son, or let me talk to my son, let me talk to my son, let me talk to my son. It's like, why? Yeah, I mean, I'm sure there's ways I could handle it to be better, but I just chose. All those ways I threw out the window. I just said I chose not to. After I seen what was going on, I just said, all right, cool. I'll just keep sending money, but clearly, there's a lot of stuff that I can't really control, and I'm not gonna sit here and keep putting myself in that position for no reason. You know, like, there was just no good result that came from it. I was just fucking wasting my time and energy, pissing myself off. just by communicating with that girl. It wasn't good. It wasn't good. Um, so like I said, I just keep sending you money. I keep sending my son money, and it just is what it is. That's part of life. And then I gave this other girl I was talking to. I told her straight up, like, I have to kind of start mentioning that stuff more too, because it seemed like every time, like the qualifications, like, bitch, what are you gonna bring to the table? You know what I'm saying? Like, actually start pressing girls on that. What do you bring to the table? I'm saying you got a son. You know, you're not a virgin. Clearly, you got a son. What do you bring to the table? You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah. But I told her straight up. I was like, yeah, man. Like, if I have a kid with a girl, if I chill with a girl that has a kid, if I have a long term relationship, that bitch, I'm gonna make sure I got a kid with her too. Right? I'm not gonna sit here and just raise a kid, somebody else's kid, without having my own kid. Um, I'm just not doing that. I'm not. Fuck that. So if we end up connecting for a long period of time, then I'm gonna be nutting inside because we gonna create a kid. Hold on, watch this.